This is corruption at a staggering scale. Tembiso Hospital, 2 billion rand siphoned out of it.
There were transactions that were done, the POs, but the modus operandi was that they would do all these transactions. They are not necessarily tenders. They would just do transactions that are below 500,000, and they do many of them to the point that it reaches 2 billion rand.
Let me just interject this, so just so that we understand the terms of these officials. You're saying there are about 15 officials that were helping these criminals loot the money, and they were receiving to the value of 115 million rand paid out to these officials, 15 of them. 122 million rand paid out to these officials. When you're saying clerk, these are all people that are working at Tembiso hospitals.
Some are in Tembiso Hospital, some are in the Department of Health in the province.
I don't even know if I want to call him businessman, but we've got, the Maumela businessman, the Maumela syndicate that's linked to businessman Hangwani Morgan Maumela.
He generally got the biggest chunk of this 2 billion rand. I think over 800 million went to this syndicate. And then he then bought properties. There were properties, the value of one of the properties in Bentry Bay, he bought for 75 million. And he then, cash alone, he has bought cash to the value of more than 238 million. Cash alone. And then the others are properties in KZN, in Gauteng, in the Western Cape, Thames Bay, and all of those places. All of those are the properties that this